Good afternoon. Welcome to Option Center. It is Friday, everybody. We are working on a red Friday. Nothing has changed with my earlier updates. By the way, if you're new here, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that Option Center logo, and subscribe. We're just kind of stick saving at this point. Right now, I just want to show you what I was looking at from before. We thought that wave 4 had ended, and we think we're correct. Let me adjust this just a touch there. So with this being either a corrective or impulse move, we're looking at this being a 1, 2, 3, 4 ended, and going for wave 5. Some are saying that this was the end of wave 5, that you have 5-wave move here, but we didn't clear that top there, so I'm not quite convinced that that's happening. We did on the regular ETFs, but not on the futures. So I still think we have a little bit more to go. We're forming a wedge. We hit the top of the wedge, came back down. Now we're hitting the bottom of the wedge. And I do believe this is an truncated fifth. So this is the actual bottom of the wedge where we touched here. So therefore you have the bottom of wave 1. And technically it should be 2 to the bottom of wave 4. So that might fit a little bit more appropriately. Yeah, so we're just barely holding the bottom of this wedge. Starting to get a little bit of a bounce, maybe accumulation here. And so what the scenario is, if we don't lose this right here, then we're looking at the end of wave 4 and a possible ending flat. So we had a 3-wave move up, 3-wave move down, right onto, and that's where we're going to do the Elliott wave scenario. Right onto that 78.6 confluence with the bottom of the wedge, bearish wedge. And so we're looking at a wave 3, 4, 5 up to end this. All we need to do is to make it right to the top and make 1 point over this would complete our move, but obviously it could go a little bit higher than that. So we'll be watching that, see if we get our reversal here to the upside for next week, and possibly a run up at the end of the day here. And that's all I want to show you, that nothing's changed. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and working on wave 5. I'm going to put that 4 right here because on the NASDAQ, we actually end a little bit lower there. So that's it, you guys. Hope you're trading safe. I lost a little bit of money on the futures contracts. I got long a little bit too early on the 618, but that's fine. That's part of the golden ratio. We had a deep pullback here, which is pretty typical of ending diagonal. And now we have to see just a few more waves up. Okay, we're still targeting about 4,200, and then we're not going to mess around with anything after that to see anything further. We're not going to stretch it. Some people might want to run or whatnot, but not me. So, and then we'll be looking for the reversal. Okay, thanks. Have a great weekend.